Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about crypto.com coin or CRO. If you have not been paying attention to the CRO chart, let's just say you're about to miss out on a fortune. The charts are starting to look a lot more bullish, and at the same time, CRO is actually starting to flip a lot of tokens by market cap, and their exchange is doing some crazy deals. Before we get into it, if you guys do want to stay up to date with everything to do with CRO, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button right there. Also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but it will help me and you as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will see the incredible side of CRO. They decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart, and I want to show you guys something very interesting that the CRO token is doing over any other big cryptocurrency, including Cardano, Binance, Ethereum, Bitcoin, you name it. CRO is doing some crazy things. Now if we just decide to look at the 1 hour chart, you can see that from the past 3 days, CRO has been on a downtrend, including the whole of the cryptocurrency market. But just today, Bitcoin actually went into the positive. Not an extreme bull run or anything like that, but just went into the trend of positive. And you can see from the past 5 hours, CRO on the super trend is also turned into a positive manner. Now this is really good, because you can see overall trend, if we decide to look at this point, it was starting to become a downtrend, but at the same time we were in a strong consolidation period. Now keep in mind, consolidation period is not bad when the whole of the cryptocurrency market is crashing. That just helps the token survive its price. While the whole market starts recovering, it can go back into the bull market, and that is exactly what CRO has been doing from the past 3 days or so, or actually from the past whole week. When it comes to the 1 hour chart, you can see it's on a downtrend, but at the same time it's only been going between the 62 and the 53 cent mark, which is like about a 10-cent difference. It just stood between those points and did not fall below the strong support, which was close to 50 cents. And you can see now it actually broke on the super trend and actually flipped into an uptrend, and you can see that also the buy orders are starting to flood back into the CRO market. Now at this point, I just want to quickly talk to you guys about PrimeXBT. If you guys are looking for a trading platform that is safe, secure, and your money will not be lost, this is the perfect place for you. You will be able to trade between 80 different markets. At the same time, the orders are done very quickly, which is less than a millisecond, so you will not have to go through a lot of slippage. You can also earn good APY on your crypto. If you do decide to store it inside of PrimeXBT, you also notice that most of your crypto will be stored in a cold storage, so if there is a hacker that tries to take it, they will not have access to it. At the same time, the best feature is you can actually copy trades from the bigger traders that are making a lot of profit. If you do want to check out PrimeXBT, the link will be in the description. It's a good site. Now these buy orders will help us tremendously, because you guys can see on the RSI line, in a trend overall, it is actually starting to climb up, suggesting that it is going into an overbought zone, and we really want that at the moment. Looking at the price of CRO, the best thing we can look for right now is for the market to completely go into an overbought zone. And there are some news that I will cover with you guys today, which will completely blow your mind. And the people who are extreme holders of CRO, I will tell you for a fact, you guys will be very happy. Now if we decide to look at the 4 hour chart, if you guys, it will give you a more clear idea. So you can see on the 4 hour chart, after the all-time high, we have talked about it a couple times, we've been on a downtrend very badly, but you can see from, I'd say, from the past week, we switched on the super trend into an uptrend. Now the thing is, the market was still starting to get a retracement, which just seemed like it was going to go below where we do not want it to go below, which is going to be 55 cent or 54 cent. Now I did go below for just a tiny bit, which was close to an hour, and then it recovered, and as you guys can see, it did not flip the sign, and overall on the 4 hour chart, we are still in an uptrend. If we do decide to look at the trend, it was starting to form since the all-time high. You can see it was clearly a downtrend. Now this downtrend was broken, and right now if we decide to look at the overall trend, it is forming. You can see it as a consolidation consolidation period, and the way the consolidation period is starting to form, it might actually go into a symmetrical triangle, and if that symmetrical triangle decides to break out, you guys know what usually happens is there usually ends up being a bull run, and I know a lot of you guys are going to be very happy to hear that. If we decide to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, you can see they're down about 1% today, but when it comes to CRO, it's actually up 1%, suggesting that CRO is starting to flip other cryptocurrencies. And same thing here. If we decide to look at Coin Market Cap, you can see that CRO has climbed a spot. It has beaten Polygon in the market cap, and we're in top 14 again. Now the thing is, we need to keep climbing. You can see from the past 24 hours, we are up 3% while Polygon is down 2%. Another thing which is insane, this will actually blow your mind. When it comes to the trading volume, at the moment, CRO is the second largest trading platform after Binance. I mean, everyone knows Binance is the largest one. They have 18 billion. But CRO is the second largest, and then third is Coinbase. You guys know everyone loves to talk about the fact that Binance and Coinbase are the biggest deals when it comes to crypto exchanges. And CRO has officially beaten Coinbase, and it's by a mile. It's nearly $1 billion that has beaten it by, and now has claimed the second slot, which is just crazy. And it just shows how much eyes CRO has started forming into its own ways. If we decide to look at this will just give you more clear idea. So the CRO ecosystem is starting to become bigger and bigger. They're going into NFTs. They're getting partnered up with some big wallets. They're going into the lending. Let's just say they're going into every part. They're trying to go into the gaming metaverse. They're trying to partner up with as many things as possible. And this is really good because this is going to grow their ecosystem bigger and bigger, and will help the blockchain, because we do need more people on the CRO blockchain, as there is so much happening on the Ethereum and the Binance one. If CRO can get back up there, personally, I would not be surprised if in 1 year Binance is flipped and CRO is the largest trading platform by market cap and also 24-hour volume. I would not be surprised personally. Now, talking about something else which is insane is today we will see a new all-time high amount of viewers during the finals of the Formula 1 Grand Prix in Abu Dhabi. One of the main sponsors happened to be Crypto.com. Step by step, crypto would take over financial system, and you can see a lot of people watch this race. Personally, I'm not a fan of that, but I know a couple of my friends that watch it, and you can see Crypto.com is just on your screen. You just see it and you're like, what is this? You're going to take a search. And not only that, you guys know I like UFC, but you can see our boy Charles who won today. You can see that their team, the t-shirt they're wearing, this person on the t-shirt right in front of it clearly says Crypto.com. And not only that, when my boy was entering into the arena, you can see on the bottom Crypto.com. Literally, you do not understand. Crypto.com is everywhere. And if we decide to look at the price prediction, it is being flipped around. At the moment, for the next few hours, the buy is the best indicator, and 2 indicators suggesting positive, only 1 suggesting a negative. So overall, the trend is starting to look really, really good for CRO. And if you're a long-time holder, I'd just say you're about to see some incredible gains very soon. But it's out of the way. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I will see you boys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.